Junior KG. Once again, I am here with yet another class, and this is our EVS class, Environmental Studies. And in this whole month, what we were learning? We were learning about the good manners. Okay, what are the good manners that we have to follow? And especially using the magical words when we talk to others, elders, friends is a big good manners. Okay, that is a great job that we have to do. Okay, and after that then we had learned how we have to follow the good manners at our home, and if we go outside, if we go to our friend's house, and if we come to school, if we play with our friends, so what are the good manners that we have to follow? And after that we had started to learn etiquettes. What is meant by etiquettes? Etiquette means the good manners in the society, the way that we behave in the society in front of other people are called etiquettes. Okay, and today we are going to learn what are the good manners that we have to compulsory follow in the restaurant. You usually go to restaurant, isn't it, children? We go to restaurant and we eat our favorite dishes out there. Okay, but what are the good manners or the etiquettes that we have to keep it in mind when we go to restaurant? Today we are going to learn about that. But before that we are going to sing rhyme. I had already taught you a rhyme. Remember, we say thank you, we say please, that is also available in our rhyme book. So dear parent, you can refer to the rhyme book for the vocabularies. Okay. So let's sing, children, join with me. We say thank you, we say please, we don't interrupt or tease. We say thank you, we say please, we don't interrupt or tease. We don't argue, we don't fuss, listen when folks talk to us. We don't argue, we don't fuss, listen when folks talk to us. Share our toys and take our turns. Good manners are easy to learn. Share our toys and take our turns. Good manners are easy to learn. Good manners means just being kind. Okay, so children, do practice this rhyme. Take a video and upload in the group. Okay, as I said that today we are going to learn good manners at the restaurant. Okay, so before starting the class, can you tell me what are the good manners that we follow in the restaurant when we go out? Usually you are very small, then what do? You will argue with your mom that I want this food, I want that food, I don't want to eat this, I don't want to have that one, I will sit here only, I will not go there, and you will keep on running in the new places where you go. Is that all a good manner? No, those aren't good manners. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what are the good manners. The very first one is using polite words. Because when we go to the restaurant, who comes to take the order? Waiters comes, isn't it? So with them, we have to talk politely. Excuse me, could you please give me this and that? So these are the polite words you have to use while talking to the waiters. And then it may take time to be served. Okay, then you have to be patient until the food is served. Okay, it's very important that until you get the food you have to be wait patiently. Next, keeping calm in the restaurant, because you are very small, you may play, you may jump, so that isn't a good manner. So you have to keep calm in the restaurant. Next, on the table there will be pepper and salt bottles will be there. So what do? Until the food comes, we used to play with that. That isn't a good manner. You should not play with the salt or the pepper bottles that is kept on the table. When food is served, you should not, while eating, you should not stuff your mouth with lots and lots of food and eat like this. This isn't a good manner. Okay, you have to take a small piece while eating the food, and slowly you have to keep your mouth closed and chew the food and swallow it down. Okay, and next is if there is a painting, there are paintings in the restaurant, if there are a fish aquarium in the restaurant, you have to watch it slowly, calmly, without making any noise. Okay. While eating, you should not spill the food. You should eat slowly using the fork or the spoon. Without spilling the food, you have to eat. Okay. And if the food is very hot, you should not shout that it is very hot. You have to wait for some time so that it may get cool. Okay, children. So these are some of the good manners that we need to follow in the restaurant, because there are so many people, not only us. There will be so many people around us who will be watching us if we misbehave in the restaurant. Okay, if you are a good children, I know that you are all a good children, wonderful and amazing kids. What only thing you have to do is you have to follow this etiquettes in the restaurant when you go out. Okay, children, will you follow this? Very good. Okay, follow this and be good children always. Okay, next shall we do the worksheet? Okay, take out your concept worksheet and turn to this page where it is mentioned good manners at the restaurant. Okay, so what instruction is given? Tick the correct behavior and cross the wrong behavior. So you have to do two work there. Take out your pencil or crayon. You have to make a tick if the behavior is correct in the box. If the behavior is wrong, then you have to put the wrong mark. Okay. So, eating without spilling any food. See, this boy is eating neatly without spilling. Is that good behavior? Yes. Then put a tick mark in this box. Now, what are these kids doing? They are making noise and disturbing others. Is this good manner? Not at all. So, cross mark. Put a cross mark here. Look at this boy. How is he eating? Spilling food while eating. Look at this. Is this good? Messing up his table? No, it's wrong. So put a cross mark in the box. Next, look at this. Kids are quietly looking into the aquarium. They are watching the fish quietly. See, this is so beautiful, isn't it? Is that good manners? Yes, it's a good manner. So put a tick mark. And next, what is that boy doing? Let's see. This boy is playing with the salt and pepper bottle in the table. Is that right? Is that a good manner? No, not at all. So make a cross mark over it. Okay. Next, look at this. Waiting for the food to be served. Waiting for the food to be served patiently. Okay, if you are going to a restaurant, it may time to be served with the food. So until then, what we have to do? We have to wait patiently. See, they are waiting patiently. Is that good manner? Of course, it's a good manner. So put a tick mark on it. So children, do this activity and follow this good manner whenever you go to restaurant. Okay. So until I meet you in the next new day, it's your auntie saying bye and do take care of yourself. Bye.